If we could create an additional revenue stream for your business with no out-of-pocket cost to you, would you be interested? Well, we have the answer for you. No cost to your business. We will spend our time and our dime to provide your business with no cost to you. EV car chargers. Yes, no cost to you for permitting, site prep, construction, installation, maintenance, and insurance. Plus, your business gets paid for every car that uses your charging station. And as an added bonus, each EV car charger has its own surveillance camera, so it will help protect your property too. Minimum requirements are 2 parking spaces per fast DC EV charging stations. If that wasn't good enough, we will also install solar panels on your commercial roof, which could potentially reduce your electric bill completely. Some restrictions apply. Is your roof old? We've got you covered there as well. Oh, by the way, at no cost to you, the business owner, contact the EV and solar specialist that shared this video today to see if you qualify. We look forward to working with you.